We got Excalibur here with us.
Imagine one.
Torque settings, and you can find it in the Newton meters. No, not Newton meters.
No, but now I have to explain. There's a whole Newton meters and
For the people watching the video at this point, they're probably upset because we didn't use this tool previously. But to make sure that you don't strip or break any of your bolts at any stage in tightening or loosening, this is the tool that you use, and you can find like majority of settings online to make sure that you set your bar correctly and you don't strip or break your bolts in any place. But the most important place is every single bolt, I guess. But we're going to move over now to the pressure plate, which is going to connect to the flywheel, which is going to connect to the gearbox. So I just want to make sure that that stuff is on its settings 100%.
but don't the people that don't have this tool just tighten it till
Yes, they do. It's not life and death, but I think any engineer is probably cringing for what we have done up until this point in time. But important things like this, I would recommend. Same like tightening the cylinder head to your block.
Yeah.
You can do it bare hands, but it's just best for you to do it with a torque wrench.
Okay. And that they can find at any.
Midas, if you'd like, they stock it. It's not going to be the best quality, but they should have one that's going to do the job for you. Especially if this is like a backyard job, then you don't need the best quality tools.
Now look at the shirt, man. Look at the
But
man's
this one
shirt.
is-
Beast mode, hoor.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to show you, bro. This is a quality one. This one I got at Master Parts, and I can't say I've been disappointed. Average is about $500, could be less than $500, and it's quality because you know each and every single bolt that you're going to tighten is going to be 100% the way it should be.
Yeah.
Trust me, I've broken a whole lot of cylinder head bolts before to know that like you want to have this thing. Just,
Because like the man is a tool himself.
yeah.
Is Ezra gonna use it? That man's obviously. Oh yeah. Explain to the people how to set this thing.
I don't know if each and every one works exactly the same, but
Your one.
This
That's
specific
personal preference.
you can see over there. That is your.
Okay, there we go.
That's your 84 mark. So what we need to do is -4 from that so that we can get 80 Newton meters. So run the guide up until we get to 84. Here we go. The 0 is on the center line, and that represents the 84. Actually not the 84, I got no nonsense for that is. Yeah, that is the 84. So now we -4 from it. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 80 Newton meters, and then you lock it at the bottom. Now it's locked. Now we tighten up. With this process, when you're using your torque wrench, as you are pulling it down or you're tightening it, it will give a clicking sound to give you an indicator that that's exactly 80 Newton meters. If you turn past that, it's going to go a little too tight. And what you want is to make sure that all 6 bolts is on 80 Newton meters. So once you have your click, let it go on to your next bolt, 80 Newton meters, and you complete all 60. I mean, all 6 bolts.
There are 60 bolts. Dat moet terug moeten.
That's a fast
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds dope.
Ito lang ako, wala, klik ito. Ito lang, wala, nilabit alas, klaar. On to the next.